In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Windows Defender here in Windows 11. If this video does help you out, be sure to like the video and subscribe for even more quick tech tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. But if you're needing to disable Windows Defender temporarily, here's how you can go ahead and do it. Begin by going to your desktop and clicking on this search bar down at the very bottom and essentially just type in virus and threat protection. So go ahead and click on it just like so. And it's going to open up the Windows security settings right here. You're going to want to go ahead and then scroll down on this page until you see the option to manage the virus and protection settings right here. So go ahead and click on manage settings. And then now find this real-time protection option and simply go ahead and tick it off. It's going to pop over the page. Just simply tap yes on this. And then after doing so, Windows Defender is now going to be turned off. Now just keep in mind, this is going to leave your system unprotected. So make sure you only do this if it is absolutely necessary and turn it back on whenever you're done. In fact, I'm actually going to go ahead and turn it back on right now. But yeah, if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, but it really is as easy as that. Before you leave, make sure to like and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We would greatly appreciate it. It really does help out the channel, and have a great rest of your day. Peace.